Auzubillahi minashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iqra bismi rabbikallazi khalaq. Sadaqallahul Azim. I am Professor Muhammad Tayyib Iqbal, your English teacher. Welcome to the galaxy of toppers. Welcome to Punjab College. A galaxy with millions of shining stars in the sky of success and education. An institute that has produced thousands of professionals in the field of medical, engineering, commerce, humanities, and information technology. It is an institute with the insignia with Allah's name. The red shows the enthusiasm, zeal, passion, and vigor. The blue shows sky is the limit, the climax and pinnacle. This is Punjab College. I am Punjab College. Now you are too Punjab College. I wholeheartedly welcome you from unfathomable depths of my heart to Punjab College. Today I am going to tell you about zero chapter. What is a zero chapter? इस चैप्टर में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि इंग्लिश का स्कोप क्या है, इंग्लिश का दूसरे मज़ामीन के साथ ताल्लुक़ क्या है और किस तरह से इंग्लिश हमारी सोशल लाइफ को मुतासर करती है. With the help of this chapter, I'm going to tell you the importance of English as a subject, its combination with other subjects, its impact on our social and educational life. So, let us discuss the most common subject, that is English.